YouTube family and friends, and welcome to Be Natural with me. And today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY facial oil, which is really easy. And I don't know if you're used to using any type of facial oils, but they are super nourishing, many benefits. It helps you, it penetrates deep into your skin. You can use it, doesn't matter what type of skin you have, oily, combination, or even acne. There's oils for every type of skin. And for years ago, I had actually discovered a BOBBI Brown. It's called BOBBI Brown's Extra Face Oil. And I mean, I used to buy this every couple of months, and it is quite expensive actually. It's like about $75. And then recently, since I've been doing a lot of my own skincare products, so I was like, you know what, I need to start making this my own. How difficult could it be? So what I did, so I did look up kind of, again, just to show you. So this is from one of the stores that I'm showing you the same oil, and it shows the ingredients, and then also there is the price, just so I can confirm that. That's $72 for about, and this contains just like an 1 ounce. So so you can, you have to use, the main thing is the carrier oil. Again, it depends. Actually, hey, before we get into the recipe, I just wanted to give it a reminder. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and comment and share, because it will give me motivation, encouragement to keep going and make more videos like this. All right, so let's just get right into it. I don't like to waste anybody's time, so let's just get right into making this oil. All right, so the good one here is to use is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is it's a skin softening, protecting, nurturing, and also it's non-greasy. So that's one of the ingredients the original BOBBI Brown's formula also uses. So actually we're gonna even make it better than the BOBBI Brown's. All right, so, and of course we're gonna use a little bit of almond oil and vitamin E oil, and then another one of my favorite oils for skin is called Evening Primrose Oil. Okay, so we'll use that. And then also, if you the Marula Oil. Okay, and another one of my big favorite is the Rose Hip oil. It's all because it's, again, these oils are non-greasy, but it just penetrates deep into your skin, and they all has many different benefits. So basically it's anti-aging, brightening, skin softening. It just keep your skin hydrated. You can use it, the face oils, you can use it before makeup as a primer. You can use it as a night cream, like a night serum, I would say. So many different ways to use it. And I'm gonna also use some of the essential oils that I will show you later. So again, another thing is, again, if you don't have all these ingredients at home, it is totally okay. You can just use whatever you have. I mean, I think the main and if you get just jojoba oil and add some olive oil and add some essential oils, it's still really good. But if you're gonna be making this type of oil and using it on the regular basis, I will highly recommend that you invest some in there to getting it. But it's like, I think with us making at home like this, it's, instead of paying $75 for this bottle, I can make it for about, like, honestly, I think probably less than $5. All right, okay, so I'm gonna actually mix all the oils in a little container here, so it's easy for me to mix it all up and pour it in there. You could also just use it directly, but I like to just kind of mix everything in here. And there's no exact measurement for this either that you need. So it is totally your choice. I'm going to use more of the jojoba oil. So I will start that. Again, I'm not measuring. I'm just going to put just about this much. Okay. If you are into like, you know, like to be precise, I think this probably is about a tablespoon. Okay. And then I'm going to add some almond oil in there. Just maybe a half tablespoon. And then I will, next one I'm going to use is the rose hip oil. So let's go ahead and add again just maybe half a tablespoon as well. And then we'll use next one is my favorite oil is the Marula oil. Okay, and the same thing, I would say maybe we can use a half a tablespoon of the Marula oil in there. Okay, and then we just need maybe a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. So we don't need a whole lot, just maybe a teaspoon. So I'm gonna go ahead, add that on there. Okay. And then next thing is the essential oil. So I like to use, again, whatever you have, which one of your favorite you can use. But mine is, I love lavender oil. So I'm gonna add, oh, there we go. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops of the lavender oil in there. And then next one is the frankincense. This is, again, it has tremendous benefits for your skin. So I will go ahead, add another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I added the 15 drops of that. And then we're gonna also add some sandalwood oil. So I have I think this is the one I picked up from when I was in India, but again, you can just use any pure sandalwood oil. Just make sure all the essential oils that you use, make sure you know the source, make sure it's like all natural. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess maybe add a little bit more. Okay, and the sandalwood oil smells really good, and it's, again, also it just helps to brighten up your skin. If you have some marks, it helps to remove those marks as well. So now we just need to pour it in there. Okay, here we go. So now we got our perfect oil mix. And if you know, again, you can just give a good shake once you're in there. So shake it up well, so all the different oils get mixed up. And here we go, our perfect oil is ready. And again, if you don't have a container like this, you can use any dropper container or any glass container that that you have available. And if you're not sure how to, again, I guess I'll do a quick demo, but it should be, you know, very straightforward on how to apply any type of oils. Okay, so let's do a quick demo on how to apply the oil. So I'm just going to take over much as I had left. Again, you just need very little. So I would say 4, 5, 6, 7 drops. And yeah, you just take it in your hands the way, and then you just kind of sort of massage it into your skin. I put it all over my eyes, and then forehead. And it smells really good, especially because of the sandalwood oil and of course the lavender as well. So you just stick it, put it all over. Yeah, and this is really good if you do it like as a before you go to bed. And again, it's very, makes your skin very smooth and kind of glowy, and it does not feel sticky or anything. You know, put it all over your hands, whatever you have. You just a little goes a long way. I mean, this oil can last for months depending on how much you use. All right, thank you very much, and I hope you found this video to be useful. Do like and subscribe and share. All right, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.